This is amazing. Oh, great. Every time I start, it stops. Ooh. That looks about 3 feet. But not over there. What's up with that? You see? Yeah, huh? It looks funny, huh? So it blows this way in between the two houses. But on the street, it was blowing that way. Oh, there we go. Amazing. All the way up to there. It's like a little mountain. Like 3 feet of snow. How funny. Oh well. Amazing. Oh great, now it's slowed down. It was really whipping it up out there a second ago. Wow, those are some big fat flakes. Wow. Interesting, huh? Well, to this Cali girl it is. Those are my reindeer that I velcroed to the window. Yep. Binge watching. And binge watching the blizzard. Thought it was going to be worse. It's just a little flurry and then it rests for about a minute, and a little flurry and it rests for a minute. Oh well. I'm going to try and go live at 11. But I'm not feeling like cleaning that office, so might end up doing something else. Like journaling or starting a ring. Starting a pendant. It snowed last night, so my sidewalk is gone. That's okay, it's beautiful.
And I think, well, we definitely need to see the world that the greedy want to create. All of natural resources in their hands, all of land in their hands. The same billionaires who are telling the farmers, forget the land, take money and leave it, want that land. The same people who say, oh, food is unnecessary, we're going to make lab food, are the very people who are then also investing in land to have real food. It's the ultimate colonization that's happening, and it's condensing everything that's been going on. In my view, the witch hunts were really killing those people who lived and taught the life that we are part of nature. The witches were teachers of oneness with nature. They were the ones who were hunted down. And that for a century or 2 centuries, 9 million people killed in Europe. It was a killing of the ecological mind. Colonialism, then the chemical agriculture from Hitler's Germany, the new GMO push, the earlier push, the new push. All of this is combining to say we will disenfranchise you, we will not let you make your living, we will not let you have a livelihood, because with the earth, with her animals, with her trees, we can create life. The fact that people are marching in every country on cost of living should become a deeper question. The right to live.
Okay, this is so funny. I just wanted to see how high the snow door was. You better not go jumping out there and mess up the pretty... Oh, damn, my bucket is full. Oh. shit. Well, now you can make an imprint right there in the snow, because I got packages coming. Isn't that the cutest thing? Yeah. Y'all will see me outside in March. Uh-huh. Magic? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that was interesting. Oh, I didn't. Oh. So this is what a little blizzard looks like. See? That's got to be 4 feet of snow right there. Wait, you can't really... Just trust me. But it's not over there. How come it's over here but not over there? I know. Wind direction, blah, 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 blah. Okay, well, I cooled off. I'm good to go. Wow, that was interesting. Well, can't not say I'm an adventurer. You can't not say I'm not an you know what I'm trying to say. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh man. What is he gonna, is he still gonna deliver my packages, guys? Shit. Oh fuck, not if it comes USPS. She's